Hello, my little Minky Moose. How are we all doing today? Good, I hope. Mr. Wonderful here. So, what are we going to do today? Well, the next 4 videos, I want to make one of a sixpence, a shilling, and 2 shillings and a half a crown. So today's video is going to be the sixpence. So, what happened in, what year is this? What happened in 1959? Well, let me go back. Can I think what happened? Yeah, if I recall correctly, 1959. Significant events included the admission of Hawaii as the 50th US state, the tragic plane crash known as the Day of the Music Dead, and the launch of the American satellite Explorer 7. Additionally, it was a pivotal year for cultural and political changes, including the rise of Fidel Castro in Cuba and the introduction of Barbie doll. Let's go, Barbie. Oh, Barbie. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, I love you. You're looking good there, baby. Yeah. And yeah, that's about it, right? That's useful information. So, what are we going to do first? Well, usually I do a 3/8 punch in this, but I'm going to try a slightly bigger one. This one is a 7/16. Tiny coin is sixpence. In England, in the olden days, they used to put a silver sixpence in the Christmas pudding. It'd been great if you bit into it, but I don't think they do it anymore. There you go. The Queen's head is about to get knocked off, as they say. Right, let's just move that. I'll go to Big Bertha. Good old Barbie doll, eh? I always wanted a Barbie doll. I got bloody Action Man instead. Yeah, I should say stuff like that, should I? He might get the wrong idea of me. Alright. You probably got the wrong idea of me anyway, so nothing new there. Right, let's give it a slap on the bottom. God, that bloody song was in the charts for bloody months in England. Let's go Barbie. This punch has got stuck on. Right, this is going to be a very, 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 very tiny ring. So, let's clean it up a bit. Whatever my cleaning up thing is, here it is. Right. Let's show a bit of love with Bernie. It's not going to need much, but there's hardly anything here to heat up. That should do. So, let's dry it off. Yeah, these are tiny, 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 teeny tiny rings. So I suppose we better do the ball bearing game on this one, hadn't we? You fit in there? Yeah, it will. So, date goes down, sunny side up. And ball bearing. I go over to Big Red. Oh, I'll make a load more glass today as well. Right. That's where we are so far. So we just want to find a die. that works. Bit of Looby Loo would be good. There she is. Here we go, Looby Loo. Here we go, Looby Lie. Right. Just want it nice and level-ish. I'll go back to big red again. I'll give it a little bit of the old 1-2. It does need a lot of 1-2. 1-2. What we got? We've got there he is. Just want to give that a quick rub down, make sure there's no cracks there or a bit more. I think it's looking a bit weird. Hey man, you're looking weird, man. Right, that's looking a bit better. Right, let's go over to big red, big spike. It's looking good. Bit of kitchen roll. Will this fit over because I've used a slightly bigger punch? Yes. I used to use a small punch, but I used to have so much trouble. Alright, let's get it started. The kitchen roll just protects the inside of the coin. But this is going to be a very, very as you can see, it's still a bit cone shaped and it's looking a bit wobbly. I don't want to push me luck though, or I'll end up splitting it. Like that there, looks like that could quite easily become a split. So, give it a bit more of the old sandy. There you go. I think it was there. But we ain't doing too bad. Oh, this is tiny. Well, let's get a little bit more love with Bernie. And see if we can do it. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's a few coins in there you can check out. There's other stuff beside rings, but all the rings in there I can adjust the size for you up or down. I've got a good selection of coins. You can ask me what I've got and what you want, or you can even send me your own coins. Right, let's go down to the arse end of spike. And we just want to find one of these reduction dies. There you go. There's a bit there. We just want to straighten up them walls. Want to make sure it's nice and level. which ain't too bad. How's that looking? Pretty straight, yeah. I'm pretty happy with that. Did it hold together or did it fall apart? Right. There should be a little bit of a ridge inside. I just want to get rid of that lip. Yes. I keep picking up this. This is my glass colour. And this is Christy Burr. In a red handle, and off you go. Yeah, that's the one. I think this is the smallest ring I've made. Okay, let's break up Dave. What's in him at the moment? It's Felton John, where we're going to take him out and put in Kate Bush. Right. There's not much here to clean up, really, is there? Let's just get some fire scale off it. Cleans it up a bit. Yeah, I was at the market yesterday, not a great day. People ain't got the money, I'll tell you. You can't blame them for holding onto their cash, you know. Right, let's take out Felton. And we're sticking, take out Kate Bush and stick in Felton John. Stupid boy. Right, look at this. I found the lid. You're not going to believe it, are you? That's a bit dry where the lid hadn't been on. But there we go. We're back in. Yeah. Thanks for my latest subscribers. If you aren't subscribed, how about doing it for me? It's no obligation, costs you nothing. There's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of this video. You hit that and stuff happens. So my next video after this will be the shilling. You got any questions or certain coin ring you'd like me to make? Hey, drop me a line. Drop me a comment and I answer all my comments, good or bad. And I never delete any of them neither. But luckily at the moment, I'm not getting too much grief off people. Only when I make like a 50p or a, you know, 10p or a 20p. Right, what we got? Let's give it a bit of a wipe round with the green goddess. It ain't looking too bad. I think using a slightly bigger punch done a better job. Oh yeah, very nice. What we got? There you go. $19.59. Sixpence. You still got the text on the inside of the coin. Ring. Good old Lizzie. Right. Thank you all so much for your support. And what size did we get in the end? Be a good idea, wouldn't it? This is a size. This is a size tiny. This is a size 4 3/4. I could probably get it to a maybe a 5, maybe a 5.5 at a push. Yeah, there you go. 1 sixpence. And it fits this finger absolutely spot on. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. And God willing, I'll see you all tomorrow. So bye-bye.